Storytelling isn't just for movies and bedtime. It's one of the most powerful tools you can use in training. Think about the last thing you really remembered from a workshop or course. Was it a bullet list? Or a story about a real person in a real situation? Our brains are wired for narrative. Stories grab attention, create emotion, and help information stick. So how do you actually use storytelling in your training without turning it into a long, boring lecture? Let's break it down into a simple three-part framework: character, challenge, and change. First, character. Every story needs someone for learners to care about. This could be a customer, a new employee, a manager, or even a team. Give them a name, a role, and a simple goal. For example, Maya is a new support rep who wants to handle her first angry customer well. Right away, your learners have someone to follow. Second, challenge. This is the problem or situation the character faces. The challenge should match the skill or concept you're trying to teach. Maybe Maya gets an email from a very upset customer. The email is rude, and she's not sure how to respond. Now the learners feel the tension, and they're curious about what happens next. Third, change. This is where the learning happens. Show how the character uses the skill you're teaching. Walk through the steps, the options, and even a few mistakes. Then, show the result. Maya uses a calm tone, follows the empathy script, and turns the angry customer into a loyal fan. That's it. Character, challenge, change. You can use this simple structure for almost any topic. Compliance? Tell a story about a time someone didn't follow the rules and what happened. Safety? Follow a worker through a risky situation and show the right and wrong choices. Leadership? Walk through a tough conversation between a manager and their team. To make your stories even more engaging, keep them short, specific, and realistic. Use simple language. Include emotions, not just facts. And always connect the story back to a clear learning point. Here's what we can learn from Maya's experience. If you want to turn your training stories into polished explainer videos without spending weeks on production, check out vidfactory.ai. You can quickly turn your ideas and scripts into clean, animated videos that make your stories come to life. Start using storytelling in your training and watch your learners remember more, care more, and apply more of what you teach.